Okay guys, this is what 234 horsepower sounds like on a Panigale V4R. Let's do it. Damn it. Forgot my earplugs. Shit. Wow. So if this bike doesn't sell very soon, there's a very, very good chance we'll be taking this out to our next private track day for some awesome riding and some awesome content. So if you're into that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to see my very quick onboard test ride, just keep watching the video. Thanks guys, let's do it. Let's start this thing up and head out. I think I'm deaf after that exhaust. So I'm riding it in race mode. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it in sport mode so I can have a little more ABS. There we go. Let's be kinda sensible. Jesus. Jeez. That sound alone is worth $50,000. And that's why we ride motorcycles. One of the many reasons. Never any parking issues. I can already tell this is a track weapon. Super light, crazy power to weight ratio. And look how gorgeous it is. I really do think this is a lot sexier, just prettier, better design than the current Superleggera. I know the Superleggera is just out of this world in terms of performance and craftsmanship, but aesthetically, this is currently my favorite Panigale. We'll see what I think when that V4 SP arrives. You guys should know we are receiving a Panigale V4R SP as part of the first deliveries coming up. I'm very fortunate about that because of the extremely limited production of that model. So stay tuned for that content. Can't wait. And that auto blipper, yeah, listen guys, this is a frickin' track weapon. Big difference between sport and race mode. That's pretty obvious. I don't know, I might put it in race mode. This bike is hot. Literally, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. You know what? I'm gonna leave it in sport mode. I feel like putting it in race mode. Wow! Right off the bat, I really like that quick shifter auto blipper. Surprisingly very comfortable bike. Especially with these rear sets. Oh yeah, I love these rear sets. It's funny, I could hear that dry clutch, that open clutch. You know what guys? That sport mode is very docile. Very. That's a dangerous spot, buddy. Very, very docile. Now I'm more curious about race mode. Yeah, I mean the acceleration, you're not getting it. You're not getting that V4R acceleration in sport mode. Yep, that's why we want to be in sport mode. In case we need that ABS safety. That downshifter is ridiculously smooth. Very, very, very short travel of the shifter pedal. Very little. And seamless shifting. Whoops. I thought I was in neutral. This motorcycle will get you in trouble. It is true what they say about these Panigales, they get hot. That frame, that front section there, right at my knees, is really hot. Whoa, 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 whoa! My God. Woo! Oh my God. Someone bring me a racetrack, please. Oh my God. That power comes on. at higher RPMs, like at 9. I need a racetrack. I need a racetrack. Yes, people, I know this motorcycle is overkill. I know. Let's put it back in sport mode, huh? It's that easy. This superbike wants to be above 7, 8, 9,000 RPMs. Going through Sunset Boulevard, even through traffic, I can tell this thing is ultra nimble, really easy to ride, fast. That's the impression I get. Well, that was ridiculous. You know, when you see people driving in traffic, you see a lot of frowning faces. But you'll never see me frown when riding one of these. Incredible.